Good evening, welcome. We just completed a new project, very special project. This job has it all. We are in Glendale, California, complete renovation, a double level backyard. Lower level behind me has a pool, barbecue, dining area, upper level, beautiful wooden patio, outdoor living room, fire pit. This job has it all. We had to take this shot at night to give you a different perspective how it's outdoor living in Southern California at night. So hopefully you like it the way we do, and let me show you around. Before I give you the full project details, let's take it all the way back to the starting point. The backyard was a flagstone jungle. Walls, pool deck, coping, pool tile, barbecue, steps, all was covered with a dated looking flagstone. The goal for this project was not only to update the feel and look of the backyard, but also to maximize the space on the property to create a complete outdoor living experience. Starting with the upper deck, we demoed the retaining wall and pushed it 4 feet back towards the hillside to create more space for the new pergola and fire pit area. The new extended space would be used for an outdoor living room / additional entertainment area overlooking the entire backyard. We also added a secondary staircase on the left side of the backyard to create a symmetrical flow between both upper and lower decks. Moving on to the lower deck, the pool was completely remodeled with new precast coping, new tile and pebble finish. We demoed the old barbecue and built a new one on the side of the yard. The concept behind relocating the barbecue area was to have a better flow from the interior of the home to the exterior. Now onto my favorite part of this project. Yes, that's right, the pavers. On this project we used the pastel paving stones in Adobe Copper Mocha color blend, made by Angelus. This paver has a large footprint that provides a clean and contemporary look. Given that one of the main goals for this project was to improve the aesthetics, right away we knew that our paving installation will make the biggest impact. And of course, enjoying your outdoor living space at night is as important as enjoying it during the day. For that reason, we installed lights throughout the project to create this stunning view. Overall, we really enjoyed working on this project and are very proud to present it to you. So, enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you like what we did over here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is how we do outdoor living. We'll see you on the next one.